Forgot your Samsung account password and can't get in? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it in just a few simple steps. First, open any web browser on your computer or phone. In the search bar, type Reset Samsung Password. From the search results, click on the first official link from Samsung. This will take you to the password reset page. On this page, enter the email address associated with your Samsung account. Make sure it's the correct email linked to your account, then click Continue. Next, enter the phone number linked to your account and click Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. Scroll down and click the Verify button to proceed. You'll now be taken to a new screen where you can set your new password. Choose a strong password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation box, then click Next. And just like that, your password has been successfully reset. Now let's try signing in with the new password. And there you have it! If this guide helped you get back into your account, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching!